Hi, I'm Coach Crosby. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show my hummingbird that I made, okay? Almost, I'm just creating the beak. I finished the tail. In my imagination, the tail is a peacock and the body is a hummingbird. So I am adding the beak of this, so we need to put a glue a little bit. And we put a beads like this, okay, then wait a little bit that it will become hard, okay, like that. And then this, I think that beak would be enough, okay. So it take time to glow, with that it will be dry, okay? So what do you think about this hummingbird? Okay, so you can make it whatever design is flying, or just, since I designed this as a necklace, I did not put a legs or feet, so that's flying like this, yeah? And it will be, this will be in your necklace like that. I designed it as a necklace. So explore whatever color you want. It's made by beads and other things to be creative. And so look at this. This is just a thread that I made. And lubi dari ay kanandas kang kanaya. And then of course the head like that. And I put beads, wood beads like this, so that you can put it like that as a necklace. So we'll put it at the back. We'll see. I hope my imagination will turn out to be true. So explore your mind and create. And put it here. I hope it will, look at this, insert like this. Oh, I wish I make the hole bigger. Maybe it will. Take your time. It should be tight. I put it, yes. Pull it like this. So the tail want to go in. So it will be hanging like this and fixed. So it will turn out, it will change your bling. Yeah? You need to art. If there's art in cooking, there's art in martial arts, there is art in making things. Yeah? This will change your bling. It will turn out like this. Hope it will like that. See? Is it good, Mommy? How does it look like?
It is a hummingbird.
See?
Yeah.
So it will. You need to explore your knowledge so that people would appreciate it. Okay? It's like a beauty of a flower. If it's in the mountain, nobody would say, wow, it's beautiful. The bird cannot say, that is beautiful, if nobody. So, but if you discover your talent and make the beauty out of it, see? So, you can make even dog, whatever you imagine, you can make it. Okay? If you have the passion to do it. And time, it take a long time. Just want to take probably 3 months, not straight, but assembling it, imagining it before it turn out like this. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.